Let's go into that building. Oh.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Alright. I just need to...
Grenade? Yes. Somebody go around back. That's the back.
He's in there? Whoa!
Oh.
10-4 sounds good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
No, I don't.
Come on, that hit you.
Too dark.
Got him.
Got him. I got him, bro. Which guy?
You all got him.
I love how we all yell we got
right
him.
here. Is that the guy right there?
Yeah, I got him on the left.
I got him, bro.
You probably all hit him.
Feel bad for him.
Throw it in there. Yeah, no pen.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, nice. Wow. Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh my god! You got a lot of. It's burnt. You got a bunch of stuff.
Jesus Christ. Yes.
Dude, he almost went up in flames.
He's not there.
What am I supposed to do there? No, you're over here now. Yay! You're my dad. I thought you were my kid.
Yeah, now you get to shoot your kids.
Am I going over there and rub your nipple? Will you give me milk?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I gotta rub the nipple.
Alright, game on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did he shoot you? He shot him, so I shot him. Well, I shot. That guy shot him, so I shot him.
Don't shoot him. If I shoot someone, don't shoot at me.
Alright,
I got a whole bunch of people to fuck you guys up. I'm for 815. I can get the Patriots, Rouser, what else? The Raiders, and yeah, I think that's it. All coming up for you. We got like 80 plus guys.
Alright, I don't mean any trouble. I just didn't want you. You see?
Down. They should be crossing a path. They're moving this way.
Alright. Well, was a bunch of kids?
I think they're all in black for the most part.
Yeah, I know those guys. Might go. Bottle
I'm
caps.
coming. No bottle caps, sorry bud.
Alright.
Hey! Hey!
Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah, right in the fingernails.
How much for the cow?
I'll give you 10 caps for him.
You'll give me 20 caps?
No. You give me 10 calves for the entire cow.
Gotta be 2. Still gotta be 2, but if you want to change it.
Alright, on 3, 2, 1.
That charge from Mother Russia did not go so well. We'll try this again.
I was running with you guys early. Alright. Yeah, I was with you.
Take cares in my child.
Alright. Do you take back your eating? Alright.
Okay, we charge for Mother Russia again. We'll probably get shot again. There's for Mother Russia.
Get that.
Yes, we're charging.
Right over there, you son.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Charge for Mother Russia failed.
Again.
Okay, we charge this way now.
Go that way.
I will honor you, fallen comrades.
I was there a few weeks ago. The banana suit.
That was you?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Go back up, Josh.
Oh.
But first, let me take a selfie.